Hello friends, today in this tutorial we are to cover how to fix two problems or two errors. One, an error occurred, your account may be over its quota, or you attempted to upload a folder. And the second problem we are to fix, let me extract this folder. Let's extract this file. So click extract. So the second problem is that the file manager does not support extracting this type of archive. So if you're facing one of these two problems or errors, stay on until the end. So okay, let's dive in. So for more clarity about this video, you can check out my blog post, which you can see on the screen and link in the description, and also here on the screen. So I made if you need more details about this exact video, I explained everything in detail, so check out for more information. Step 1, right click on your folder, then click add to archive. So then after, by default the format is RAR, so you click zip, which is ZIP, click zip, then click OK. So wait for the file process. Next step, go on and upload your file. Wait for some time until the upload is done. So here click reload. So as to reload the page, then here you see we having two files, the .rar, that is RAR, and the .zip, which is ZIP. So one of the errors you got, it was from this RAR. When you try to extract it, you see when you extract, you get this error: the file manager does not support extracting this type of archive. So however, as we've done, so when you use this one, the zip, when you extract, everything works very well, as you can see on the screen. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, like and share, and if there's anything which is not clear, try to check out my blog post, which explains everything in details. So link is in the description, and here on the screen you can see it. Nice time. Bye bye.